Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to unbox the Eufy security camera, which is the 2K one from Eufy, and it's got a spotlight integrated. So let's go ahead and look at the packaging, what comes in the box, and how it looks. So on the front it gives you the IP67 rating. It says by Anchor. So this is the company basically which produces Eufy products. I've been using Eufy products and I think that they're one of the best products in the market. They're very easy to use. They work with your Amazon Alexa as well. I've tested it, so it works perfectly fine. Not sure with the Apple devices, but it gives you a little bit of detail over here, which tells you that you can use cloud storage and you can use hard disk as well. So on the back it shows you that the camera shoots in 2K footage, and you've got this. It's ready for any sort of weather, so it's IP67, pet and human AI, instant notification. I have a doorbell, and of course it gives a lot of notification. And the good thing is it's got a built-in spotlight. This product, it runs via USB cable and you plug it in. Over here it tells you what comes into the box, and that is it. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it looks. So guys, this is the camera. It's really small, and what it has over here, it's got this connector. So the wire coming from the camera is pretty small, probably, I think so, maybe 6 inches, and then it's covered with this sticker over here. So when you install it, you can take it off, right? On the bottom you have the SD card. Oh, on the top it's got a speaker, and on the bottom you've got the barcode in what you need to scan from your iPhone when you download the app. So guys, I think this cable is roughly 5 meters. This is the plug with the USB port at the back, the wall mount, and that must be magnetic. So I'm guessing that can be taken off. So it's pretty strong, it's magnetic. So this part, I drill into the wall and fix this, and then from here connect that, and that's where you connect your camera, like that. It does say IP67, but I'm not sure how the speaker is going to be protected. So that's the Eufy app. When we hit save, you can choose a device. Okay, and what we'll do is we will just scan the barcode. So guys, this was the unboxing and the setup for the Eufy Security Cam 2K. Went into the Eufy ecosystem, and it works with Amazon. That's the best thing, and it's pretty small, as you can see. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video, and bye for now. Thank you.